Okay, we have a new video for you guys today, and this one is all about ordering medication. So what we're going to look at is how to ask for medication in a pharmacy, what important questions you should ask about it, and also the names of some medication for common illnesses. This can include things such as hay fever or some joint pain or indigestion. So the first thing you need to do is go to a pharmacy, or in America, this may be called a drugstore. And here you can just get any of the common medication for small illnesses or symptoms. And you don't need a doctor's note to get these. However, if you do have a prescription from your doctor, you will get it for free in the UK anyway. And as well as this, there are some important things you need to say. So here's how you would ask for the medication. You would just say something simple like, have you got any medication for, and then just name whatever symptoms you have. So for example, headaches. Next then you would say something like, I've been having stomach pain or I've been having headaches. Is there anything you can recommend? So there's two different ways of saying it, very simple. And as well as getting medication, you also need to ask important questions about it. So something I want to tell you about are side effects of drugs, and these are unwanted effects that a drug has. So if you get, for example, medication that helps your headache, makes it go away, it may have an unwanted effect of giving you some stomach pain or giving you, uh, making you feel sleepy, something like that there. So here are some common side effects like feeling sleepy, mood swings. So maybe you feel sadder or angrier randomly, or it could give you diarrhea, constipation, or even it could have some toxicity. So toxicity is something that is damaging to your body. Some drugs will have a side effect of damaging your liver or your kidney. And if you are curious about this, it's always good to ask. You can just say, what are the side effects of this drug or of this medication? And we have more important questions that should be asked. And this is if the medication reacts or interacts badly with others. So it's very common, you probably have heard of it, that certain medications you take, you shouldn't also drink alcohol with that because it can have a bad reaction. But this includes other medications as well. So if you are worried about this, you can ask, does this medication react badly with anything else? And then the person in the pharmacy will let you know. And then the very last thing we want to cover in this video is the names of common medications for symptoms. And this one is very common in the UK and Ireland. And if you remember from the last video, hay fever is when you get sneezing or coughing, itchy nose, runny nose from plants. And a drug you can take to counter this is called antihistamines. There's a whole range of drugs. Next we have indigestion. So this is when you get a burning sensation in your stomach or in your chest. And there's one particular drug called Gaviscon that is very popular here. Next we have headaches or migraines, and a very popular common drug is paracetamol. And lastly we have swelling. So this can be for any sort of joint pain. Maybe you fell and hurt your ankle or your knee and it's now swollen and gotten big and sore. So you can take a drug like ibuprofen, and this will help reduce the swelling and help your knee get better. So that is the video, everyone. Thank you guys very much for watching, and goodbye.